This lunchtime was a wonderful opportunity to meet with our current Year 6 junior school captains and got a chance to invite anyone in Year 5 who's interested in applying for a leadership position. Our session was run by some of our 2025 prefects. They got to ask the Year 6 leaders some questions about their leadership journey, what they've learnt about themselves, and also a really good opportunity for the Year 5 students to find out some tips and tricks and find out what we're looking for as a junior school captain in 2025.
What aspects of the role have you enjoyed so far and what challenges have you faced?
I enjoyed being school captain because I got to be able to help out and actually find out what happens. And I really enjoyed speaking on stage. I like the responsibilities you have for being captain. I like how you get to speak on assembly and you get to face your fears of doing those kind of things. Another thing is manners. You have to have good manners towards your teachers and your friends. I also like filming for the junior school and showing people how to play on the oval properly and about integrity and other things.
When I was in junior school, I had to do a speech too for junior school captain. And I remember one of the things I did was I tried to relate the Canterbury values to the values of characters from books that we all enjoyed. I remember connecting like integrity, and Dorothy from The Wizard of Oz had integrity. And I try and connect it to that and make it engaging for the students as well as connecting the values for the teachers.
One of the most important things that I've learnt through the whole leadership process is that even if you don't have a leadership position, that doesn't mean that you can't be a leader. That's how you guys work together. You are all a leadership team, you just have representatives from each part of the school. It was really awesome being able to hear the Year 6 students reflect on their experiences in their captaincy positions, as well as hearing what the Year 5s are truly curious about when it comes to applying for these positions. It was also really good being able to give our own advice as to what we think is important for them to know, and also reflecting on our experience applying for our captaincy positions recently. So it was really fun to be able to talk to everyone.